Hello dear students, parents, welcome to Max Made Easy. So we are continuing our series of Vedic multiplication using Nikhilam method. So we have discussed several cases in our previous video. So if you are watching this video for the first time, I request you to watch the previous videos and come back to this video because this is a continuation from the previous video. So in this video we are going to discuss about the case that our base is not a power of 10 and our numbers are far away from base. Okay, so in that case how will you do the multiplication? So as always, let us start with some examples, some practical programs. So here your question is, you have to find out what is 246 into 254. Okay, so here if you go for base as 200, what is happening? Your 200 is not a power of 10 but it is a multiple of 100, right? But if you go for base as 200, we'll have the large deviation like 46 and 54. That is our deviation. Okay, large deviation. So then what, in that case what you have to do is like you have to find a closest multiple of 10. So for this one, for 246 it is not a multiple of 10, right? 254 is also not a multiple of 10, but which is closest multiple of 246 and 254. So for 246 and 254, the closest multiple of 10 is 250, right? So this 250 in our previous case, so we have found out a base and then that base you have to express as a multiple of 10 or multiple of 100, whatever it is. So this 250, you can represent this 250 as a multiple of 100. How will you represent 250 as a multiple of 100? It is nothing but 2.5 into 100. Okay. So in that case what you can do, we'll keep 100 as base and then 250 as the base itself, but we are writing the 250 as 2.5 into 100. Okay, so then what you have to do, when you write that deviation part, when you add that deviation part, and that part you have to multiply with the 2.5. So let's see the example. So we are taking 250 as the base and 250, you know, it is 2.5 into 100. Okay, so how will you write the number? 246. How will you write? It is 246 minus 4. And what is 254? It is 254 4. Okay, so then what you can do? You can do whichever operation that you want, either 246 plus 4 or 254 minus 4, whatever that you want you can do. So I am going with 246 plus 4, so you will get 250 and minus 4 into 4 we will get minus 16. Okay, so now what you have to do, see, our base is not 100, it is not a power of 10, right? It was like 250. So that 250 you can write as 2.5 into 100. So what you have to do, 250, this part you have to multiply with 2.5. Okay, so you multiply 250 with 2.5. What you will get? If you multiply 250 with 2.5, you will get 625. Okay, so 625 and then what we have is minus 16. Okay, so then what you have to do? Here you have to make sure the number of digits and number of zeros. So here we have written 2.5 into 100. So 2.5 we have multiplied with 250. So this part is taken care of. Then what you have to do? So this one, see here the number of digits should be same as number of zeros of 100. Okay, so 100 has 2 zeros and minus 16 has 2 digits. So that part is taken care. So now what you have, it is 625 and 1 bar 6 bar, that is the number. So now what you have to do, you have to remove this bar. So how to remove the bar, you know, in the previous video we have discussed that rule. So that is why I am asking the viewers, those who have not watched this previous video, just watch the previous video before you watch this video. Okay, so how to remove the bar? For removing the bar, last digit, subtract last digit from 10. So 10 minus 6 you will get 4. And then the remaining digit from 9. So 9 minus 1 you will get 8. Then what you have to do? 625 minus 1. So it is 624. So your answer is 246 into 254. The answer is 62484. That is the answer. Okay. So let's do some more examples so that this will get clear to you. So our next question is, you have to find out what is 342 into 340? Okay, so 342 into 340. So here if you go with 300 as the base, large deviation, 42 and 40. So these are large deviations. So we are going for the closest multiple. You can go for 340 or 350, whichever is easy for you. So I am going with the 350. Okay, I am taking 350 as base. So if I take 350 as base, what you will get? You will get 342 minus 8. Okay, so 350 we can do that as 3.5 into 100. Okay, 3.5 into 100. This is what my representation is. So 342 minus 8 and 340. How will you write 340? It is 340 minus 10. Okay, so from 350. So our base is 350. Okay, our base is 350. So now what you have to do? You perform this operation, whichever is easy for you. So we will get 332 when you perform that operation, 342 minus 10, and then when you multiply, what you will get? You will get 80. Okay, so then what you have to do? So now 332, this part you have to multiply with the 3.5. So you have to do 332 into 3.5. So when you multiply that, what you will get? You will get 1162. When you multiply 332 into 3.5, you will get 1162. And then you have to check one more thing, number of digits. So number of digits 2. Here number of zeros is also 2. So everything has been taken care. So your answer is 116280. You can write it together. Okay, so our answer 342 into 340, the answer is 116280. That is the answer. Okay, so let's do another example. So your question is, you have to multiply 458 into 452. Okay, so we'll take the base as 450. We'll take the base as 450, and 450 you can write it as 4.5 into 100. 4.5 into 100. Okay, so 458 8 and 452 it is 2. 452 it is 2. So now what you have to do? You perform the operation either 452 plus 8 or 458 plus 2, whichever is easy for you. So that is 460. You will get 460, and then 8 2s you have to do, that is 16. Now what you have to do? This 460 you have to multiply with 4.5. Okay, so 460 you have to multiply with 4.5. So you will get 2070. 207016. So here number of digits are taken care, right? 2 digits and 0. The 100 has 2 zeros, so that is fine. So our answer is, you can write it together, 207016. So your answer is 207016. So that is so this is how you can do large number, multiplication of large number easily using the Vedic method. So let's do some more examples. So your next question is, you have to do 247 into 253. So your question is 247 into 253. Okay, so we can take base as 250. Okay, so then that is, now you know, 2.5 into 100. Okay, 250 is 2.5 into 100. So we'll write the numbers, 247 minus 3 and 253 3. Okay, so then what you have to do? 247 plus 3 or 253 minus 3, whichever is easy. So it is 250, and you will get minus 9. Okay, minus 9. So now then what you have to do? So this part 250 you have to multiply with 2.5. So you will get 250 into 2.5, you will get 625. But here what you have? Number of digits. So all rules you have to check. Okay, so here number of digits are 1, only 1 digit, but here 100 it has got 2 zeros. So then what you have to do? You have to add a 0 here. Okay, so then what you are getting? What you will get is 625 0 and then 9 with a bar. Okay, so this is what you got. So now what you have to do, you have to remove this bar. So for removing the bar, what you have to do, you have the rule. So subtract last digit from 10. So 10 minus 9, you will get 1, and then remaining there is no digits with the bar. So then what you have to do, take this number and subtract 1. 6250 minus 1. So what you will get? You will get 6249. So your answer is 62491. So the answer 247 into 253. So your answer is 247 into 253. Our answer is 62491. Okay. So these thing, everything you have to taken care. Okay. So you have to represent base as a closest multiple of 10 for these numbers, and that number you have to multiply, make it as a, you have to represent that number. So our 250, you have to represent 250 as a multiple of 10 or 100, whatever, whichever is closer. So it is 2.5 into 100. So this one you have to multiply when you get the adding the numbers n1 plus d2. When you do so, n1 d1 n2 d2. So you have to do n1 plus d2 or n2 plus d1. So that part you have to multiply with this 2.5 or 5, whatever, what is based on your representation, and then the number of digits or everything you have to taken care. Okay. So let's do some more example. We'll discuss all possible cases in the scenario. Okay. So your question is 741 into 751. Sorry, 747 into 751. That is your question. So what you have to do, which is the closest multiple of 10 for these numbers? So if you go for 700, it is 4751, large deviation. Okay. So closest multiple of 10 is 750. So 750, how can you represent? You can represent 750 as 7.5 into 100, right? So you can represent 750 as 7.5 into 100. So now we'll represent our numbers as the number and deviation. So 747, what is the deviation? Base is 750. The deviation is minus 3. Now 751, what is the deviation? It is 1. 751, it is 1. So now what you have to do, you perform whichever is easy for you. So I am going for 747 plus 1. You will get 748. And when you multiply this deviation, it is minus 3. So now what you have to do, you have to multiply 748 with 7.5. 748 into 7.5, you will get 5610. Okay, so now here what you have to do, you have to take care the number of digits. Here we have only one digit, but this 100 you have 2 zeros. So what you have to do, you have to add a 0 there. Okay, so it is 03, it is negative 3. So it is 03 bar. So what is the resultant number? The resultant number is 561003 with a bar. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to remove the bar. Okay, so how removing the bar, what is the rule? You have to remove last digit from 10. So 10 minus 3, you will get 7. And this number, so no other bar. So take the whole number 56100 minus 1. Okay, so what you will get? You will get that as 56099. Okay, so our answer is 560997. So 747 into 751. 747 into 751. Our answer is 560997. That is the answer. Okay. So in all these cases, see what you are multiplying. You are multiplying with 7.5. It is a decimal number. So now you got a number without decimal. Suppose when you multiply with 7.5, suppose you are getting a decimal. Suppose you are getting something like 561.5 or 72.5. In that case, how will you do? So here, instead of when you multiply with 7.5 or 2.5, whatever is your number, when you multiply this part, if you are getting with a decimal number, how you have to tackle that? Okay, we will discuss that example. Okay, so your question is, you have to find out 748 into 753. So our question is 748 into 753. Same way what you can do, our base is 750 and you are going with 7.5 into 100. Okay. Let's see how to tackle this. 748, what you have to do, it is minus 2, right? And what about 753? It is 753, 3. If we are going with 750 as the base. So then what you have to do, 753, I am going with the 753 minus 2. So you will get 751, 751, and you got minus 6 here, and you are multiplying 751 with 7.5. So when you multiply 751 with 7.5, what you are getting is, you are getting a decimal value. So that is, your answer is 5632.5. Okay. So in that case, what you can do is, see here, this decimal you have to remove. Okay. So for that, what you can do is, see, this 7.5 into 100, you can write that as 75 into 10 also, right? You are getting, you can write 7.5, 750, it is equal to 7.5 into 100, and which is also equal to 75 into 10 also, right? So since when you multiply with 7.5, you got a decimal, but this one, if you multiply with 75, what you will get? You will not get this decimal, right? So it is same, it is, if you multiply 751 into 75, what you will get? You will get the same number without any decimal, 56325. Okay. So then what you can do, this part you have to adjust with 10. Okay. So here what you have only one digits and 10 has 1 0. So now what you can do, so now we are going 750, we are going with this representation, 75 into 10. So you multiply 751 into 7.5 is equal to, so you will get 5632.5, but to remove this one, we are making that as 751 into 75. So if it is 751 into 75, what is the answer? 751 into 75, our answer is the same answer without decimal, right? 56325, that is your answer. And then this part we are adjusting with 10. So okay, it is 75 into 10. So we multiplied this part with 75, and this adjustment you have to do with 10. So 10 has got only one 0 and 6 is one digit, but this 6 with a bar. Okay, so now what you have to do, this 56325 6 bar, that number you have to convert. Okay, so how to convert that number? I am writing it here. So how to convert this number? 10 minus 6, 4, and this number 56325 minus 1. So that is 56324. Okay, so your answer is 748 into 753. Our answer is 563244. That is your answer. Okay, so this is how you have to adjust when you get a decimal number. Okay, so now we'll discuss one more case. So you will understand this better. We'll discuss. So your question is, $732 into 747. Okay, we are going with 732 into 747. So what you can do, you can go with 750 itself, 750. Right now I am writing it as 7.5 into 100, and we'll see. 732 you will get minus 18, and 747 you will get 3. Okay, so we'll go for, it is minus 3, whichever is easy for you. 732 minus 3, so you will get 729, and 18 into 3, so both are minus, so you will get 54, and then we will do 729 into 75. Okay, so 729 into 75, what you will get is, you will get 5467.5. Okay, 5467.5, that is what. So since we got 0.5, this one I am writing it as 75 into 10. Okay. So then this part will become, what this will become? This will become 54675. And now what you have to do? So this one you have to adjust with 10. Okay. So 10 you have only one digit. Then what you have to do? You can retain only 4 here. So this 5 you have to carry forward. Okay, so 10, now we have done the adjustment like this, 75, 10 to 10. So this part we have multiplied with the 75. So 10, what you have, it is 10 has only one digit. Okay, so then you can retain 4, but this 5 you have to carry forward to here. So when you carry forward your 5 here, what you will get? You will get 546854. 54,680 and this 4. Okay, so your answer is 54,680. So 732 into 747. Our answer is 54,680. Okay, so see, so this one, so whatever is your number, that power of 10, you have to adjust the number of 0 with that power of 10. Okay, so you see here, this part we have multiplied with 75, and here we have to, this number of digit we have to adjust with 10. So 10 is only contains only 1 0, so we have retained 4 here, and this 5 we have carry forward to here. So you will get the answer 54,680. So hope you understood this one. So if you want to receive more such videos, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.